urgency of the manifestation of the power of God from the saints to redeem this evil and depraved generation. This is not a generation of blind loyalty again. The generation of our parents would believe even if they don't understand. But this generation is a generation of questions. If you say he lifts, prove it. If you say he changes lives, prove it. We are not going to just believe and say yes sir for nothing. Ministry without the power of God is only an invitation into a life of frustration. Believe me when I tell you, business without the power of God, parenting without the power of God. We live in a time where you will see a child 5 years old and then he begins to confess, I killed my father, I killed my uncle, I killed my mother, and you are wondering, 5 years? Power. The darkness that is upon the earth today will require more than good speaking, good discussion. It will take a display of power, genuine power as of old. And it has nothing to do with being in ministry, as you know.